Hi friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 65 templates of Facebook cover, and here is a PSD file. You better know about PSD for Photoshop user. So some templates I think I have already uploaded, but re-uploaded is new or full collections. These are 65 templates in 13 files. Every file have a 5 templates. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop. Wait, and you see here artboard is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Every artboard have different layers or different shapes, so you can edit easily and import your text or your own title. So first I started first, and you see here this is a image option of here, and art 1, art 1, 2, art 2. So we select this, double click, and import any photo. For example, like this, and convert to $800. Drag there, right click, create clipping mask, and you see our design or our photo in shape. Control S for saving, and you see our design is here, and writing your title or your detail here. Zoom in, so you can write it everything. And same here, just open your photo and create clipping mask, write your own text, logo, etc. Same here. Here you can adjust your own photo. So I close this file and open any other file. For example, same are here. Here is 5 files. You can change background color, you can import your own photo. For example, I create a full cover like this, double click, import photo, girls, and we need this photo, and convert to low resolution like 800. Okay, and then drag there, right click, create clipping mask, no, Control S, and change background color. You click on BG mean background, or her this background or her dress color. I think black is better, or depend your own choice. No, black is better, and white color going to, sorry, font color going to white, or convert into white color. Okay, and here is title. Wow, simply you can add or compose your own Facebook cover. You write here, same here, you can edit everything, and like this, drag to, you can increase more size. Wow, you can adjust one by one. No, amazing. You can create clipping mask, or second option is double click here, countdown to goodness. Oh, my window issue, update issue, but don't worry. And here artboard just need one images. For example, small business big art. Okay, we need a business photo, but I try to find a business photo. Business photo, can't find it. So business photo like this. Okay, convert to 800, and oh, this photo is already low resolution. Drag there and right click, create clipping mask. You see our photo in this shape, or you can change photo because here is same backgrounds and the same shape color. So try any other photo like this, then drag there and right click, create clipping mask. You can see, but here is our dress color is white and background is white. Background change, come to this color. Here is white color. Depend your own choice, you can do more better. So my last file is this. Simply import your photo, or convert, drag there, right click, create clipping mask. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.